I think it's easy to think, oh, okay, well, this money's coming in, but then you don't keep track of how much money's going out. And I think it can quickly become kind of overwhelming and confusing, or you're like, well, I think I made some money, or I'm not quite sure if I made any money. And if you don't keep track and don't budget and know what's coming in and what's going out, it can kind of get messy very quickly.
Yeah.
I see here you have a example of a business budget template. That can be, I guess, based off how you like to organize, what works best for you. Do you like an Excel spreadsheet? Do you like, QuickBooks to categorize things, which we do use QuickBooks. It's really user friendly. What are some things that you suggest people put in their business budget?
And you're in everything, what I'm saying? I tell people all the time, for not only for just for your tracking purposes, but for tax purposes, that when you go file your taxes, whatever, either yearly or quarterly, whatever, how you have your entity set up, it'll show you how you should file or which time frame you should file in. But regardless of that, for tax purposes, the budget is going to help you with that. And even further than that, like Caress mentioned, QuickBooks is a platform that we use that keeps track of all that, not only daily but throughout the year. And with QuickBooks, it's very user friendly and simple, especially starting out as small business owners, where all the money coming in, you have it attached to your bank account. It'll calculate all that money coming in, revenue, and then also where you can track expenses going out. And simple as literally taking a picture, uploading it to QuickBooks, and it'll categorize it for you. So one of the first things in that chapter is we talk about the importance of having a budget template, and we put one in the book so you can use that as a guide.
Yeah, and I think one of the some little things that you may not think about when you're stepping into entrepreneurship is like, where's my health insurance going to come from?